Sally, Sally's so pretty.
Okay, everybody, tonight's event is to benefit the boys.
Get your crusties. Oh, come here. I cut up onions. I did.
If you don't like it,
sorry.
then you should concentrate on winning.
There we go.
Because the person at the end of the evening with the highest chip count will receive $500 to donate to the charity of their choice. And they will get a mini fridge which complements advanced refrigeration. So, get your charities in it, and I, for example, am playing for comic relief.
That doesn't exist.
Comedy is very much alive, as are homeless people.
No, they stopped making that show.
Well, then they need our money more than ever.
You have to pick an approved nonprofit organization.
There's a great soup kitchen in downtown Scranton.
So, this isn't the Blair Witch Project. So I took a bath. Hey sniffies. I took a bath and I drank a bottle of sparkling wine. And apparently, the combination was too much. We're using the light from the refrigerator. Hold on. I love that you guys can see this because this is literally how she is, but I never get it on camera. Thank you. Hi. So, somebody asked in my last video if they were declawed, and they are. I really hate that. It literally, like, it brings me to tears sometimes because I wonder if they're in pain. But it wasn't my choice, and I would never declaw a cat. And I wish they hadn't gone through it, but all I can do is take care of them, right? And give them kisses. Oh my gosh. I'm looking for a snack, but all I have is healthy stuff in the house. I'm gonna look so bad in this clip. I love you. So sweet. I just put on moisturizer, so now I have cat hair all over my face. Also, I'm really embarrassing. So when I got my first glass of Moscato, I thought it would be a funny joke to like clink with my nose ring. I have no excuses. It was ridiculous, but I also died laughing because I find myself extremely humorous. So I'm gonna find a snack. Actually, I'm gonna go to bed. I need to chug some water and go to bed. What am I doing? No, I'm gonna find a snack because I'm hungry. So this is 4 minutes of me being embarrassing. And I might cut this out. I don't know. We'll see. This is the refrigerator light. I'm on the floor right now. What am I doing? Hey guys, it's now Wednesday morning. I'm making some coffee and I'm about to put this down. I'm about to go in here and use some Olaplex. Oh, I can't show you the mirror. So I'm about to put this in my hair. Alright, so I just kind of threw my hair over in the bathtub. Then I used my Evian to like get my edges and stuff that weren't dampened, because it mainly just got like the length of my hair. So yeah, I'm putting some Olaplex in. I slept way too late, but you guys saw I was up being silly at 2 a.m. I'm gonna let this sit for about an hour. I love to just use an Invisibobble when I use this Olaplex. There we go. So I just throw it up in a bun, put that Invisibobble on it, and voila. So I'm gonna let this sit, and probably for about an hour, then I'm gonna get ready for work. I don't know what else I'll vlog today, if anything, because I close. It's just like, what am I doing? So I'm just gonna have coffee, get ready for work, and then see what else happens. And I will talk to you guys later. Hey guys, it's now Thursday. I am off. I slept too late. I posted a lot on Instagram, and then here I am. I was just about to go to the gym, and then I realized I didn't put dinner in the crock pot. So this is what we got going here. I'm making that. It's called Mexican crock pot casserole, but honestly it's Mexican chili. That's what it looks like. But then I realized I couldn't find enchilada sauce at Aldi the other night, so I never got any, and that recipe calls for that. So I'm about to run to Walmart. I put everything else in, all the spices and stuff, but there's quinoa and it like needs the moisture, so I'm gonna run to Walmart real quick, come back, dump that in, and then finally go to the gym. I'm thrown together. I'm wearing my Jeffree Star shirt. It says can't relate. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I need from Walmart. I hate going there. Like, I will go anywhere else, but I hate going to Walmart. I'm so sorry. So yeah, I'm about to jump in the car, get that, fix that, and then go to the gym. So I'll talk to you later. Hey guys, so I have a tiny little Walmart haul. I hate Walmart. Anyway, I decided to get these little bralettes because Forever 21 stopped making the ones that I like. These are just like the plain Jane, Fruit of the Loom, whatever. I honestly only wear these around the house, so I'm just gonna give them a try. They're like 10 bucks, so I was like, why not? I'm kind of picky though. I like the ones that I had. Damn it. I really like the ones I had, but I just can't find them anymore. And they have new ones, but they're different. I don't know. So yeah, so I got like 3 for $10, and not a bad little deal. I got 38 because they're cotton, and I feel like they were gonna shrink up a bit. I'm usually 36. Oh god, this is like melted, so I'm about to pop this in the fridge, or in the freezer. I got Halo Top Chocolate Almond Crunch for later. So a little treat tonight. And then I also got this waist trimmer for, like, you know, helping your abdomen sweat. So yeah, it's a little bit of compression too, makes everything feel more comfortable. And then I got the damn enchilada sauce, which I'm about to put in. I feel like I'm saying that wrong. First off, let's put this Halo Top in here because it's like, feels like liquid in there. What a stocked freezer. So yeah, I'm about to pop this can open and put it in here. And I feel like maybe I want to go for a walk outside because it's so nice. So I might do that instead of going to the gym because it's just like mild. It's kind of overcast, but it feels nice outside. So here, that's what I'm doing. And let's see what it looks like. It's probably like, what the hell? Oh, it looks the same. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this off and let it cook for several hours, and I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys. Sorry if you can hear the Keurig in the background. You walk over to the light. It's Monday morning and I'm really behind. I didn't film anything for the vlog in the last couple of days, but I've honestly just been working, and then yesterday I was off and I just relaxed. And a couple of you guys have reached out in my latest video and asked me if I was okay with all of the bad weather and tornadoes in Alabama. I'm fine. I was totally like not in an area where anything was going on, so that's fortunate for me. There were, which if you guys have seen on the news, you know, but this morning there are like 20-something people dead from tornadoes in a county. It's a little ways away. It's not very close to me. Some of the videos, I mean, if you want to see the extent of it, you can just search it, I'm sure. Most of it was in Lee County, and it's awful. People lost everything. If they were fortunate enough to keep their lives, they lost all their possessions. Homes like destroyed. It's terrible looking. So it kind of puts things into perspective, you know. I'm tired today, but guess what? I woke up like in an intact house, safe and sound, and you know, great. that's all that matters right now. So it does a couple of things to me. It's like, okay, you know what? I'm alive and well, and let me not worry so much about everything else, like my nose being crooked right now. Like my little ring being crooked. But my kitties are okay, I'm okay, and you know, that's what's important. When I come home, I'm gonna show you guys a couple of packages I got. One of them was my FabFitFun, which I've done the unboxing, so you guys may have seen that. If not, I'll link it below. I got some other things to test out, which are exciting, and yeah, I do work Monday through Friday, so I don't know when I'm gonna be able to film videos and stuff. I do have one video filmed that I just need to edit. but it's like a really lengthy edit. So I've just been working on it little bit by bit. So I'm about to make some coffee. I think I'm just gonna go completely no makeup today. Like my skin's looking pretty good, you know? You know? I'm going to work just like this. I decided to come to Michael's before going home. I'm looking for cute stuff for pictures. And all their spring floral is 40% off. Look how cute that is. What is this? How much are you? $16. Oh, you expensive. But they have really cute stuff. I'm just looking for, like, you know, the best of the best, obviously. What's gonna look cute? What are these little bastards? Those are kind of fun for $6. I think that's cute. Also found, got these little ones that are only $2. See, I would love to find more this size, just different, because these are only gonna be like $1.20. So yeah, I need to find more like this. What's this side? That one's only $4. That's really pretty. And of course, the weather turned back cold today, so I'm like, why can't it be spring? So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'll show you guys if I find anything cool. Oh, I really like these. How much are you? Okay, only 10 again, so $6. Okay. Guys, so it is now Monday. I need to finish the vlog up and get it up for you guys because I am running a little bit behind, but I wanted to show you a few things that I got, a couple things I got in the mail, and then show you what I picked up at Michael's. So first, I've got another subscription box that I'm gonna unbox with you guys. I think that video will probably go up tomorrow on Tuesday, because I think I'll film it tomorrow, but we'll see. But this is the new beauty test tube. So this one I had gotten years ago through, I think, QVC, and then I just like couldn't find it. It was just one of those like, do they still do it, do they not? But this one has some amazing stuff in it. It's got like a serum in it that's brand new and uber expensive, and I think this is 30, it's in between $30 or $40. I can't remember if it's 30, 35, or 40. But at any rate, I'm really excited. I'm gonna kind of unbox that. They only do this one, I can't remember if it's every 2 months or every 3 months, but I'll give you all the details in that. So if you're interested, it has a lot of really good skincare in it, so I'm excited about that. I'm also gonna be trying out these. So this brand is called Lilova, and they make period underwear. So I've been seeing these, not necessarily this brand, but I've seen these where they're like, you just wear these and it's like for like free bleeding. I know I don't want to go into too much detail. I will do a specific video about this, but obviously I'm not going to talk about it a ton in my vlog because not everybody is going to want to hear about it. But if you are keen to see a like video all about that, let me know. It's just like a healthier alternative obviously than to like tampons, but I got these. I want to show you what they look like, so if you're intrigued. So I got briefs. These, they have a really interesting material. It's like, I don't know how to describe it. It's not quite the feeling of like a swimsuit, but it has like a similar outer to it. So yeah, I'm curious and intrigued. And then I also got these, which are like black lacy regular little like bikinis. So yeah, those are the two that I decided to try out. They did send them to me for free, so I don't know, I'm like excited and nervous at the same time to try those out, because obviously that's going to be like a completely new experience, but I am trying to get away from more harmful ingredients when it comes to you know, women's needs, if you will. So yeah, I got those stuff, and then I want to show you guys what I got at Michael's. So I went in there really just to look around because I didn't want to drive in 5 o'clock traffic because it just makes me angry. So I left at 6 and got home at 6:30, and if I had left at 5, I probably would have gotten home at maybe at 6, but it would have taken me a lot longer. So I decided to look around, and I was looking for more stuff for pictures, like I said in the little clip I found. So I got this one little background, which I thought was pretty, and I follow somebody on Instagram. Her name is, her Instagram handle is Miss Glam Erica. It's Erica with a K. I will put her name on the screen. she has some of the prettiest pictures, and I saw where she did like, it was like a white like table or something that she was using, and then would use like a background and then like just position things really cute, and it was just very creative. She has a really nice aesthetic to her pictures, so she kind of inspired me a little bit. It's different than what she's done, but still kind of inspired by. So I got a few little floral things. This one I got, which I think is really pretty. Look at me, I'm in a jungle. That's so stupid. This one, I don't know what this one's supposed to look like. It definitely looks like something that would like ignite my allergies if this were real, but they have 40% off of all their floral, and I thought this looked really nice. I was looking for more interesting ones, you know, a little bit more than just like basic, like, you know, silk roses or whatever. So I thought this one was really pretty. I also got that one, which I think I showed you in that little clip. I love these like furry little ends. Again, I don't know what they're supposed to look like, but I think it's going to be really pretty in a picture. This one I found and I thought was so gorgeous. So it's like this. This is obviously not very realistic looking, but I thought it would be gorgeous in the right picture to just kind of have this like with other items around it. I don't know what it will wind up looking like. That was a little bit pricey. It was regularly $9 and then 40% off. I got this little bundle. This was only $2 and 40% off, so really inexpensive. I don't know why, but these little bear party hats were $1, and something inside me was like, oh, they're there. I literally was like sad that nobody had bought them. I need to get a grip. The last flower that I got is this little one, which looks like lilac, and I just thought it was so pretty. Like with the right palette or some types of products or skincare or something, I think I'll find a cute use for that. These are just pretty. I don't know, I just like them. I got this little sticker. This is a fuzzy sticker. I don't know what I'm gonna put it on, but it's an avocado cat. It's so cute. It was an impulse purchase for $4. I got these little fuzzy cat ears. So they're just like fuzzy black. I got these. I don't know how I'm going to use them, but I think it's going to be really cute if you do like, I don't know, a palette and then like there's little flamingos. I'm going to come up with something. I don't know. I kind of want to take a picture of my flamingo palette, but like, is that relevant anymore? I don't know. I also got these little hair ties. They're like Invisibobbles, and it was buy one, get one half off. So I only paid like $1 or $2 for these. I got this glitter, which is like a little triangular iridescent silver. No, that's probably not, it's probably not showing you guys that very well, but they're little triangles, and I feel like in a picture this would be really cute, and to do like, I don't know, do like a little spray of glitter or something. Obviously it's not safe for eyes, and they're pointy, but it's like craft glitter, so I don't recommend other people using that, but I do sometimes. And then I got this rose quartz crystal that I thought would be really cute in a picture as well. So I'm going to end this vlog before my camera dies. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed. As always, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up if you like these videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.